Okay, hello again. This time we're going to look at math, okay? Math, 3B, not 3A, 3B, okay? Pages 12, 13, and 14, okay? On page 12, we have the relationship between units of measurement, okay? You can see at the top, okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So for 1 centimeter, you get 10 millimeters, okay? That means if we have 30 centimeters, how many millimeters do we have? Well, 30 centimeters is equal to 30 multiplied by 10. 30 multiplied by 10 equals 300. So 30 centimeters equals 300 millimeters, okay? And the hair ribbon is 300 millimeters long, okay? We have to say long, because if you just say the hair ribbon is 300 millimeters, well, 300 millimeters what? Wide, heavy, long? We don't know. So you have to say the hair ribbon is 300 millimeters long, okay? So the centimeter is larger than a millimeter, okay? 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. So the centimeter, we use multiplication. 30 multiplied by 10 equals 300 millimeters, okay? I know that's confusing because you think, well, 1 centimeter, how is 1 centimeter bigger than 10 millimeters? It is. 1 centimeter is larger than a millimeter, okay? So just remember that. Now, part 2, you can see here the table, okay? The dining table. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So for 1 meter, we get 100 centimeters, okay? The dining table is 200 centimeters long. So how long is that in meters? Now, this time, we're going to use division, okay? We're going to divide, because the centimeter is smaller than the meter. Okay, you see how we change it? The centimeter is smaller than a meter, so we're going to have to divide, which means 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, okay? 200 centimeters is equal to 200 divided by 100, okay? 200 divided by 100 equals 2. So the answer is the dining table is 2 meters long. Okay? We're going to divide. This time we divide. Okay. Then at the bottom we have a kilometer. Kilometer is a unit of distance. Okay? So from Sampanvitia to Big C, that is 1 kilometer. Okay? It's how far something is. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. It's same. Okay? Up to you. Now, the distance, 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters, okay? So we have 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, so the distance between A and B is 4 kilometers. How far is that in meters? Well, let's have a look. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So 4 kilometers is going to be 4 multiplied by 1,000 equals 4,000. Yes, very good. Gunn, Mr. Gunn, I can hear you, Mr. Gunn. 4,000, okay? 4,000 meters. Now, the reason why we multiply is because just like with centimeter and millimeter, a kilometer is larger than a meter. So we have to multiply, okay? We have to multiply. So take time, review, study that, number 1, number 2, and number 3, okay? Make sure you understand 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Make sure you understand 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And make sure you understand 1 kilometer or 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, okay? All right, now, the next page, page 13. I want you to look at the questions, okay? Number one, a hair clip is 4 centimeters long. So, how many millimeters is that? A hair clip is 4 centimeters long. So, how many millimeters is that? Well, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Oh, wait. Oh, that's so bad. No. Oh, okay, that's bad. Anyway, 10 millimeter. Yeah, okay. So we have 4 centimeters. 4 multiplied by 10 equals, see, Mr. Gunn? Good. 40. So the answer would be 40 millimeters, okay? 40 millimeters long. So number one is going to be 40. Now, my handwriting is very bad. Sorry, I can't use this. It's not easy. Okay. Number two, a pen is 160 millimeters long. How many centimeters is that? Okay, so you're going to get 160 millimeters. This time we're going to divide. Yeah, this time we're going to divide. 160 divided by 10, because 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So 160 millimeters divided by 10 equals 160 divided by 10 equals, yes, Mr. Gunn, again, 1 cent. 16, okay? So 16. So your homework is to finish number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, underneath, okay, we have more measurements, more lengths. 1 kilometer or kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. You need to learn them, okay? You need to read that again and again and again. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, that's very important. So then, underneath there, we have this information. 5 kilometers, okay, equals how many meters? 5,000 meters. Because if 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, 5 kilometers is 5 multiplied by 1,000 equals 5,000 meters, okay? It's not so difficult. If you learn this part, it's not so difficult to understand, okay? 1 kilometer, 300 meters equals 1,300 meters. Why? Because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, okay? So 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000 plus the 300 meters, 1,300, okay? Again, it's not that difficult. So, homework at the bottom of the page. Homework. I want you to convert these measurements, okay? Number 1, 2 kilometers, 800 meters. What is that length in meters? Okay, so this is what you're going to do for number 1. Example. 2 kilometers, 1,000 meters multiplied by 1,000 meters equals 2,000, okay? And 800 meters, you see the 800 meters. So, 2,000 plus 800 equals 2,800, okay? So for number 1, 2,800, okay. I want you to finish number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, okay? It's not so difficult because all of the measurements are in meters. You see that on the right hand side? They're all meters. So just remember this relationship. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Don't be lazy, okay? Don't be lazy. It's not difficult. Just look at at the questions, look at the lengths, use this measurement at the top, and then put into meters here. It's not difficult, okay? Do it slowly, take your time, make sure you do it. Sarah, Lemon, Pimai, Newman, I know you will do because teacher Lex stay here, so I know you do. Arm, make sure you do, okay? Arm, wake up, I can see you sleeping. Okay, so, good. Make sure you finish the homework, make sure you look at page 12 and 13. Okay, bye-bye.